Category management can be complicated. Keeping up with consumer trends, planning an optimal product portfolio, and protecting your margins is no easy undertaking. Cheese goes on most everything people eat, so its volume and margins can make a big difference to your bottom line. And when a category is growing exponentially, you have to pay attention. We've made it easy for you to be a hero. With our new plant-based offerings and nationwide distribution, Great Lakes Cheese is a single-source private label option for your cheese category, allowing you to add more margin and satisfy more customers. If you want to move your launch timeline faster than the process required to use your brand, use our ready-to-go plant-based brand, Green Grove. Work with us to grow your cheese portfolio. It'll be fun, easy, and worth your while. Contact us to get started.